Welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how to install and set up the EKSA surround sound driver in Windows. I'll be using Windows 10 for this tutorial, but if you are using a different version of Windows or operating system, you should still be able to follow along. Firstly, head to the EKSA homepage and you can either click support at the top and then download, or scroll down to the bottom of the page and click where it says EKSA sound driver download. Click download on here and then click the blue download button in the middle of the next page to begin the download. It should begin the download in the bottom left of the screen, and once it has downloaded you may get a message saying that it could harm your computer, but no need to worry, just click on more options and then choose keep. This method may be slightly different though depending on your browser. Click open and then again your antivirus software may stop it, click on more and then run anyway. Just like earlier, this method will be slightly different depending on the antivirus software you have. Click yes on the user account control screen and the installation window should now open. You can select the language first by clicking on the drop-down box. Then click next. Now disconnect the device and click OK, and then next to start the installation. Allow the software to install and then click finish. When the software opens, reconnect your device and wait until you see Device Active at the top of the window. Within the software, you have 4 pages of settings that you can change. There's the equalizer, effects, mic settings, and the virtual 7.1 surround sound settings. Feel free to look at each of the pages and adjust them to your preference. You can also then save your settings in a profile by using the options at the top. If you're having any problems or the software isn't working correctly, then restarting your computer should fix the problem. And so that's how to install and set up the EKSA surround sound driver within Windows 10. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the video helpful.